Welcome back, everybody, to another great video of Beginners Barbecue Outdoor. Today we're going to be doing a Mexican dish, very simple. We're going to keep it simple. It's for breakfast. It's going to be eggs with chorizo. Like I said, guys, it's going to be simple. So let's get this video started. Alright, stuff that we're going to need with this beef chorizos. I think they sell pork chorizo too, but I like the beef. So you can buy this at any grocery store. 6 eggs. But I'm only using half of this. I mean, you can use more if you want the more stronger chorizo taste. And I'm going to eat it with 2 tortillas. You can make tacos if you want. But I'm cool with just old school. So I'm gonna turn off this half. I don't need that much. So about half. Just like that. Now, if you guys ever had this, you know this is good. This chorizo right here smells so good. It smells the whole house, and it's just so good. So we're just waiting for it to be like soft, mushy. And then we can add the eggs on that. But oh man, this smells so good. And then I forgot to stir the eggs. Oh, but I'm thinking 6 is good. Put it right in the middle. Now mix them up. Look at that. Bam. I'm gonna get 2 tortillas going. Just gonna add a little bit of oil. But this is enough to feed 3. See, about that right there, 3 people. So the kids are gonna have some of this too. But if you want to add a little bit of zest to your egg game, this is the way to go. Chorizo. It is delicious. Now, like I said, you could just eat them in tacos. Just bam, put them in there, eat them as a taco. But I like to just put them on the plate and eat it like that. And I'll show you how. Just like that. Look at that. So those are ready to come out, but look at how it looks, man. So I would say use half of the chorizo and about 6 eggs. If you use all the chorizo, then use 12 eggs. Or if you want to dilute the chorizo a little bit and not have that big, strong chorizo taste, which I don't know why you want to do that, but you can add more eggs to it. So there it is. Oh man, it smells good. Tortillas are ready, and I'm going to show you how we do this. Alright guys, welcome back. This is Looks delicious. Looks great. And we know we got to do the smell test. So now, like I said, you can eat this in a taco with one of these. You can make a breakfast burrito with just this. And just when you go to a restaurant, you ask for a chorizo breakfast burrito. This is probably what it is, and they probably add some meat or something, but you already know half of it. So the way I'm gonna eat this is how we do it. Take a piece, grab something like that. Mmm. 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 It's great. It's really simple. For you guys to do this, it's so simple. Like I said, it's a quick process to, you can make a lot, you know, of it at a time. If you have a lot of people and you want to be like, hey, I got you guys covered. I'm gonna make some Mexican dish for breakfast. So you do this, and then you can add your other stuff you want to add. You can add salsa if you want. I didn't have any because it doesn't last long in this house. So make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you guys, boom, hit that subscribe button, because there's more great content coming, and you guys do not want to miss the more great ideas I got coming on. This is just the start of it. There's a lot more. I've had requests for people to how to make the beef birria like from scratch, and those videos are coming, guys. Those are coming, and there's more that I'm going to add to that. I'm learning what people want to know. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys next time.